This new perspective also highlights the difference between being rich and being wealthy. Being rich is having a lot of money. Being wealthy is having a lot of time. The rich person might have a high income, but if they're constantly stressed, overworked, and have no time to enjoy their life, are they truly wealthy? On the other hand, a person with a modest income, but who has the freedom to spend their time as they wish, to do the things they love with the people they love, that person could be said to be truly wealthy. So, wealth, in this new understanding, is about more than just money. It's about freedom, time, experiences, relationships, and peace of mind. It's about living a life that is rich in the things that truly matter. To summarize, the traditional understanding of wealth equates it with money and material possessions, while the new understanding sees wealth as the quality of life that money can provide. It's not about how much money you have, but what you do with it, how you spend your time, and the quality of your relationships and experiences. The real wealth is not in our bank accounts, but in our lives and the lives of those we care about. So next time you think about wealth, don't just think about money. Think about the quality of life it provides, the freedom it affords, the experiences it enables, and the relationships it nurtures. Because that is the true essence